Welcome back. Continuing the news. People's National Party supporters on Monday blocked the Prime Minister's motorcade in Water Square, Falmouth, Trelawney. We were told that the supporters stood in the middle of the road and prevented the motorcade from moving freely. However, a video which was provided by the Prime Minister's office does not show his motorcade being blocked. The Prime Minister addressed the crowd from his vehicle, telling PNP supporters the action reflected poorly on the leadership of the party.
Leadership would tell them to come here and do that. If they had leadership would tell them that if they come here, they must wear the mask.
Now, the Prime Minister told the gathering that the time for antagonistic and confrontational politics had passed.
Does not mean that we must be incivil to each other. Politics does not mean that when politics time come around, you become your brother's enemy. As leader of this country, I will never engage in politics that will make my people incivil to each other. I will never do that.
The Prime Minister was on a tour of several constituencies in the West.